Alright, it's 29 June. About 19:15, and with all the weird things going on today, my car's not starting. So I got a battery jump starter hooked up to it. Let's see if it starts. Yeah, I definitely say there's some tampering going on. And the reason why I say that is about 3-month old battery. So it's very strange. That's in addition to the kick vehicle, the flat tires, the $500 to get the vehicle repaired, $300 to get repaired, and then about $100 for some tires. To get fixed. That was a $300 one. $500 one. I'm not sure what the $500 one is, but about $500, $300, $100, and a lot of flat tires. So a few dollars here and there to pump up the tires. I say I got a secret admirer somewhere.